hungry. Let's go
Hungry.
get some food. Let's go get some food.
Look, Nick.
Welcome back to our beautiful green wall. We had a lovely afternoon at the beach and we had lunch there. Didn't show you our food because that's what we always do and thought that would be a bit boring and repetitive. It's evening now. We've done our groceries and I think this evening we're going to Skype our friends who are currently in Scotland. My best friend Kelsey, who is Canadian as well. She's also Canadian but living in Scotland at the moment, and her man Will, who is Scottish. So if they're keen, then I'll get them to say hi. Other than that, that'll be all. See you later.